How's the sample, Logan? These ones?
One more thing and we're done.
Almost. Although these aren't really pretty simple ingredients. We haven't got one of these in a long time. All right, so we are on our way back to apparently my favorite grocery store, and that is Costco. Costco! My mom is keeping Lizzie because Lizzie was having a hard time. She ended up falling asleep at my mom's house. We're like, she should just stay asleep with you. I don't necessarily identify with the term scrunchy. Like, I am more crunchy than scrunchy, but things like today make me feel like, am I scrunchy? Because a couple of our household items are like normal household items. So if you want to see my high protein, whole foods focused house goods haul, stay tuned. Let's go do it. Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah, you can beep the card too. No regrets. We haven't got one of these in a long time, and Logan specifically called out wanting a pack. So we're gonna go for it. One of those ones, the organic zombie. Need my help? Oh wow, that. Oh look, it's my favesy Pickles. Yeah. I thought we got the Kirkland dishwasher tabs, but apparently Dan just keeps the container for storage, but we actually get these ones. We do, however, get the Kirkland free and clear laundry detergent. Samples acquired. How's the sample, Logan? Yeah?
Shoot.
What?
Someone walked past.
Are you able to carry that? We've been making lots of burritos lately, and we buy like an organic whole wheat tortilla from Natural Grocers, but every once in a while, although these aren't really burrito size now that I'm looking at them. Wow, that looks cool. Just one. Well, it comes in a 2-pack.
One more thing and we're done.
Almost. Not really good. Pretty simple ingredients. Garlic powder acquired. Somehow I missed this goodness. We love this stuff. What are you doing, dude? I really don't want to run you over. Self-checkout, baby.
Not me.
Yeah, you can hand me item.
11:89.
We're done with buying everything, and we just scanned everything. So out we watch.
We are home from Costco. Ignore the piano on the island. Logan plays here all the time. You probably already saw all these items when we were at Costco, but just in case, I'm gonna go through them. We got our dishwasher tabs, laundry soap, which I actually probably shouldn't be going through. We got this cereal. Logan and Dan love, and Lizzie, they love this cereal. And it's relatively simple ingredients, so it's nothing too crazy. They don't tend to eat the nuts though, spoiler alert, so we end up giving like all of the nuts to the chickens. But in general, they love this thing.
Raspberries and blueberries.
Raspberries and blueberries. We got this Greek yogurt. This is Logan's favorite Greek yogurt. I had him try the A2 whole milk organic yogurt. He does not like it. So I also got these 2 giant logs of goat cheese. Who doesn't love goat cheese? Maybe some people don't love goat cheese. But what I like about these logs is that they are so affordably priced. And Dan helped me figure out this last time that you can essentially chop the log up and wrap it in saran wrap and freeze it, and it thaws beautifully, like fresh goat cheese. Incredible.
And then we got this amazing cheese.
This cheese is cheddar.
And this cheese, I forgot its name.
It's called Parmesan. We love Costco's Parmesan. Fun fact, if you didn't already know this, not all Parmesan is actual Parmesan. It has to come from like a specific place in Italy to actually be Parmesan, and Costco's Parmesan is legit Parmesan. Also, backing up this Beecher's flagship cheddar cheese, this stuff is so good. It doesn't like get stretchy. I don't know if any cheddar gets stretchy. I don't know, but it's got this nutty flavor that is just divine.
And then we've got these wonderful fruit snacks that anyways, I'm very excited to try.
Oh, you've already tried that. These are really awesome because they've got very simple ingredients. So there's still fruit concentrates, but like one of the pineapple passion fruit, for example, is apple puree concentrate, apple juice concentrate, passion fruit juice concentrate, citrus pectin, pineapple juice concentrate, lemon juice concentrate, natural flavors, vegetable and fruit juice for color, and citric acid. So, you know, clean is on a spectrum. We've talked about this, but these are relatively simple ingredients. And yeah, we hadn't gotten them in forever. I forgot about them, but you guys did love them in the past.
Then we have this garlic, which we use in our popcorn when we make them in the night when we do family movie night.
So that's actually not true. We do not use that garlic powder in our popcorn, but we do use garlic powder. I also got to like open the air fryer because your chicken sausage is done. So we'll let that just chill. We did not get more chicken sausages this time. While we can always use more, I knew that this bill was going to be like $400, and we do have chicken sausages in the freezer, so he's eating one of those. Anyways, we use this garlic powder, I mean, in everything, right? Chilies, soups, sometimes eggs, all kinds of things, but not the family movie popcorn. All right, we used to buy logs of mozzarella, but we stopped buying logs of mozzarella, and I switched to these little mozzarella pearls. Just gonna focus, just because I found that mozzarella was going bad too quickly. So I keep these on hand for when we're making sourdough pizza, or if we're doing a pasta that we really want like a gooey, stringy cheese in the mix, then I use those little mozzarella pearls, and they're all like individually wrapped. So this lasts for a lot longer than like the big fresh logs of mozzarella.
Got this seasoning right here.
We did. We got this everything but the bagel seasoning. I told you guys I use this on everything.
Sometimes they use it for bagels, sometimes eggs.
I've never tried this. I will have to let you guys know how this is. One great thing about Costco, I don't think I said this when I did my little Trader Joe's haul in my vlog. Trader Joe's, I consider, as the kids say, to be very mid, honestly, at this point. There's not a whole lot from Trader Joe's that I like love. A lot of it I find to be very disappointing, honestly, when you get home. Costco, in general, I find it to be the opposite. Their stuff tends to be really delicious, though not always. I showed you guys in my last Costco haul that the Fruit Riot they sell at Costco, for some reason, is not as good as the Fruit Riot you can get at the grocery stores. So,
and then we've got this pizza that I usually always pick at.
Yeah, he's not a big fan of this pizza. This is that cauliflower pizza I showed you guys. I love it, and I think that if you cook it to the point of being crispy, it's delicious. And what I really like is making like a garlic lemony aioli on the side, and I like taking slices of those pizza and like dipping it in the aioli, and it's so good.
Usually, I only like the Costco pizza.
That's true. He does like it though when I make sourdough pizza. I just don't do it very often. Say I like it. Say yes, Mama, I like it.
Yes, Mama. I love the sourdough.
Yeah, I made him say that.
It's the best sourdough.
Thank you. Oh, he's talking about the donuts I made. Those were so good. And if that vlog is not up already, it will be up soon. I made my own like Krispy Kreme sourdough donuts. So then I have this organic chicken breast. Obviously, we use chicken and everything, chicken chili. The other night we made chicken tacos where I just put the chicken in the crock pot with salsa and some spices. And then when it was done cooking at the end of the day, I threw in a can of beans for like 20 minutes to stir up. Amazing. The simplest taco situation, especially like we've been keeping on hand burrito tortillas recently. I think I told you guys that when I got these. We've been keeping like, because I still have not figured out how to make actual sourdough tortillas. I know some of you might be screaming at me in the comments, but having the tortillas on hand makes dinner so easy, whether it's like tacos, although I do always make my taco tortillas with like corn masa. But yeah, chicken chili, chicken tacos, chicken, I don't know what else we do. Chicken pasta. There we go. And then we've got
these Grillo pickle spices.
Grillo pickles. So good. We got this bacon. We like it. This bacon supposedly is like uncured, zero sugar, like just a little bit on the quote unquote healthier side of life. And yeah, it does cook a little funky. I find that it cooks faster. I like putting all of our bacon in the oven, and I find this stuff cooks pretty fast, but we got that. We got our grass-fed butter, of course. And then last but not least, Logan was carrying it over here. We got...
I think you remember this, but it's ground beef.
Yep, organic ground beef. You guys know we love making smash burgers. I love making burger bowls. We love making bolognese. That's not what it's called, but...
My favorite ones are burgers.
Yeah, smash burgers are delicious. Just wanted to throw out there, I totally forgot. We also got the pomegranates, which are so delicious. I love pomegranates by themselves, but I also love putting pomegranates in salads. I would say that that's Dan's favorite way to eat pomegranates is in the salad that I make with the like Greek vinaigrette that I make. It's an incredible salad dressing. Like my whole family loves it. Dan's obsessed with it. But yeah, I just had to throw that in there. Yeah, guys, that's it. I gotta go. I gotta put all these groceries away, and my mom has Lizzie next door, so I gotta go grab her. But I hope that you enjoyed this video.
Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, everyone.
Yeah, subscribe, everyone. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.